To add eSIM into the Nothing Phone 4a Pro, start by opening Settings, go to the Network and Internet, go for SIM cards and select eSIM. First of all, you will have to turn it on, click on the Enable and click to add eSIM. Now you can transfer a SIM from another device, or you can just set it up as a new one. So if you receive the QR code, it should actually look just like this. I've got one over here next to me. Take a look. You should receive something like this from your network provider, from your operator, and you will have to just scan this QR code. But sometimes you can also receive that physical number that you have to input. So it's also possible to do that. Wait for this network information and click to enter the activation code, which starts usually from this characters, and then click next to follow screen instructions.